How to draw the impossible triangle in Morpholio Trace. Start by clicking on the Range tool and then Set Grid. Choose the middle type, axonometric grid. Change the angle of the grid to 30 degrees. Then adjust the size and opacity of the grid. Choose dashed line, your brush and color for drawing the initial underlying structure. Activate the Smart Ruler and change its settings to either 15 or 30 degrees. This will assist you with drawing along the grid. Use the grid to outline an equilateral triangle with cut corners. Again, follow the grid to draw inner lines, suggesting the 3D thickness. Lower the opacity of this drawing, create a new layer, and trace the dashed lines to draw the optical illusion. Now you can turn off both the grid and the underlying drawing. Activate the Smart Hatch tool and choose a solid color. Use light, medium and dark color to suggest the shading of the triangle. If your hatch spills outside of the drawn borders, adjust the threshold slider. And voila, you're done! For more and longer tutorials, click on these other videos.